Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to apply foundation for beginners. Now this has been the most requested video since like last month. So you guys have just been filling up my inbox on Instagram, and I was like, you know what, if not, why not? So if you guys would like to know how to apply foundation for beginners, all the T's and C's and what to do, how to prep your skin, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, I have prepped my skin, so what I'm going to do is just rewind a little bit so you guys can see what exactly happened. So initially I go in with a face towel that is nice and warm. I take the face towel and I put it underneath the water with lots of warm water. Thereafter, that allows me to help open up my pores, so when I start washing my face it's a lot more easier. Thereafter I take that, squash it, and then after put it onto my face. It gives my face like this whole kind of pore opening procedure that happens. Don't do it every day, but do it once in 3 to 4 days. Going in with some Eucerin and going in with my exfoliator, what I did was I applied a little bit of Eucerin on both sides. This is the Eucerin face wash. I applied a little bit of the Eucerin face wash on both sides of my exfoliator, and I just started working that into the brush. Thereafter I applied it onto my face, and then I gave my face like a whole kind of workout and exfoliated. I even brushed through everything. What this does is that it helps with the exfoliation, it helps the process, and it helps remove all the buildup of products and excess products that have been in your skin that you have not taken out. So during the course of some time, we generally do leave some of the residue of whatever we were using throughout the day, so that's what happens. Also the excess oil, sometimes we tend to do our hair rather than our face, so the excess oils also build up, so that also helps remove everything so you can have a fresh, clean face. So guys, now coming up for moisturizer, I am using the Eucerin moisturizer. Because I use the same face wash, I've decided to just keep to my moisturizer as the Eucerin one. What the moisturizer does is that since there's so much of dead skin, your skin is actually dry at the precise moment. So what this actually does is that it hydrates your skin, allowing your skin to be prepped for the next step. So also what this does is that it doesn't allow your skin to age, it doesn't allow you to have wrinkles, as well as it doesn't allow your skin to stretch. Next, if you're a person like me with oily skin, I suggest you go in with your setting spray. My setting spray is the Raheela Fix and Go. This is the Insta Fix and Go. Take this and spray it all over your face. Thereafter, go in with your beauty blender and dampen that all through your face. I generally get oily on my T-zone, so this step is literally essential. So for primer, guys, I am going in with the Raheela primer. This is the Fix and Protect primer. Do not apply too much because a little goes a really long way. So what this does is that it helps fill in the pores, it helps you to have this flawless base. Also, it helps you to work your foundation or whatever product you're going to put on thereafter. It makes everything seamless, as well as it protects the skin from the UV rays. Always make sure to check your SPF on your primer. A 25 SPF is generally good. You get ones with higher SPF, which is obviously a lot better. Now coming up for the final step, you want to go in with your foundation. You don't have to be like me and use a mousse foundation. You can go in with literally any foundation. I am going in with a mousse foundation. This is by Maybelline. Take a little on, and then I just apply this all over. So you guys, you can use a beauty blender that's damp, or you can use a brush. anything works. It's just up to your preference. If you use a brush, what I feel is that it ends up having like a stipple effect on your face, which I don't actually like. But when you are going in with a blender, make sure that you have the patting process. You don't have a swiping process. The patting process allows it to fill in all the holes onto your face, not like a brush. I'm not dissing a brush, but I'm just saying a beauty blender is way more better, and all the better if it is damp, because when the beauty blender is damp, it doesn't absorb a lot of product because everything stays onto the surface. But when a beauty blender is actually dry, it absorbs in a lot of product. You generally get 1/3 of your product out. Make sure you tackle all the areas that you suffer from. If you feel you need more foundation on that area, make sure you get a foundation that is generally buildable, that you can work with, and you actually won't really have a problem. You can go all the way down to your neck, but as you can see, my shirt is like this, so there's literally no need, but generally you go down to your neck. So guys, how do you find your foundation shade? All you gotta do is just take it and swipe it on your face. Sometimes your neck is a bit different from your face. All you gotta do is drag the product down to your neck and just blend it with the rest of your body. So guys, if you have oily skin, make sure you go in with a foundation that caters for oily skin. But if you have dry skin, make sure you go in with a foundation that caters for drying skin. So the last step is to go in with your setting spray and spray yourself. Now go in with the opposite side of your beauty blender and dab that into your skin. So guys, this was my flawless routine for foundation for beginners. I hope you've learned something. I hope you understood the words that came out of my mouth. And whoever requested this video, here you are guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.